Hi folks, in this channel I'm going to review about companies that listed on Indian Stock Exchange. For those who were not aware of basic terminologies, I'm going to come up with a different set of videos in near future. Until then you can subscribe the channel and hit bell icon to receive all updates. In this video I am going to review about yesbank. The yesbank story began in 1999 when three successful bankers came together to float a non-banking financial company. The three Indian promoters had 25% share in the non-banking financial corporation. They were Ashok Kapoor, the former country head of the ABN AMRO Bank, Harkarat Singh, the former country head of the Deutsche Bank, and third partner Rana Kapoor, former corporate finance head of the Hans Grindlays Bank. While the rest 75 were with the Rabobank of the Netherlands. It became the yesbank in 2003. Yesbank acquired license in 2004 and went to stock exchange with initial public offer in 2005. The yesbank started making slow and steady progress in the initial years. But it received a big shock in 2008. Ashok Kapoor, then chairman, was at the Trident Hotel on November 26, 2008 when 10 Pakistani terrorists attacked Mumbai. The Trident Hotel was one of the targets of the 26/11's terror attack. Ashok Kapoor died in the terrorist attack that Thursday night. This changed the way yesbank would go about its business under the new leader Rana Kapoor. Ashok Kapoor seemed to have fancied Rana Kapoor. This stems from the fact that he is said to have got his wife, Madhu Kapoor's sister Bindu, get married to Rana Kapoor. This marriage made Ashok Kapoor and Rana Kapoor not only business partners but also relatives. These ties came under scrutiny soon. The moves were scuttled apparently by Rana Kapoor, in full control of the yesbank. The yesbank gave loans to companies which were struggling in their businesses. These companies included the Anil Ambani Group of companies, the Essel Group, the Dewan Housing Finance Corporation Ltd and Infrastructure Leasing and Financial Services. These have collapsed and taken over by the government for restructuring. Global major financial services firm, the UBS, in a report dated July 7, 2015, said the yesbank had the strongest growth in loans to potentially stressed companies. The report read, "We believe yesbank is most vulnerable to a prolonged weak credit cycle and consensus may not be ready for a sharp increase in the company's credit costs." The UBS downgraded yesbank's stock to a sell rating, meaning it advised the investors to sell their stocks as the company was heading to doom. In August 2018, the RBI asked the then chief executive Rana Kapoor to quit the bank by January 31, 2019 when it emerged that he could be the real problem of banking governance and source of bad loan practices. Once this information came to the market, the share price dropped from Rs 393 to 11 rupees. It shattered the hope of its investors. Now is there a turnaround in its business? Well, the answer is maybe yes. Reasons which I might think it as a turnaround, as we all know that usual practice of this bank is to provide loans to big corporates. The risk in that case will be huge, even if a single person failed to repay its dues. Now, after restructuring, the bank has started to concentrate on small and mid-sized firms to provide the loans. This is a great move by yesbank recently, as the risk ratio will get reduced as the risk gets scattered. That's why they say, don't put all your eggs in one basket, diversify your portfolio, and so on. And on the second thing which I came interesting is that the major holding of yesbank is with SBI Bank, amounting to 48.31%. State Bank of India is an Indian multinational founder on 1806, public sector banking and financial services statutory body headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. SBI is the 43rd largest bank in the world and ranked 221st in the Fortune Global 500 list of the world's biggest corporations of 2020. A nationalist bank, it is the largest in India with a 23% market share by assets and a 25% share of the total loan and deposits market. We could see the strength of its holding company just by looking at its. As it has a vast experience in banking field for about 200 years, maybe this bank knows when to act or not. Third thing which I got inspired is its fundamentals. Until December 2019, it has been posting poor results. It had posted a loss of 18,564 crores. In March 2020 quarter it posted a profit of 2,665 crores. For June 2020, profit of 34 crores. For September 2020, profit of 120 crores. For December 2020, profit of 150 crores, whereas the market expected loss in all cases. Then you can ask that why the share price is not moving up? I can remember a quote: "IT takes 20 years to build a reputation and just 20 minutes to shake IT." That's the scenario of yesbank. The last and final thing which I got inspired with yesbank is that it has been included in Nifty Next 50 index. Also the circuit limit for this bank has been increased to 20%. Okay.